Zarate Karate is saying, hey, Matt, I was wondering if doing 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 for chin-ups is enough for hypertrophy for the time being for back activation. No possible way to know, my friend. And again, this is the methodological approach that is when we're saying, if I do this much work, will it be effective? No possible way to know. Your ability to get results does not depend on how much work you do. I don't care how much work you do. You could do a little, you could do a lot. Will that be enough? Who the hell knows? It's all about how well are you achieving the fundamental objective of your workout. That's what's important. Okay, so let's do this in practical application now. So chin-ups for hypertrophy. We're looking for hypertrophy. Okay, one of the greatest, strongest influences to stimulate hypertrophy, because honestly, we don't really know why we get hypertrophy too much. Every single time we take one single variable like hormones or going to failure or strength and stuff, every time we try and isolate something in a lab, it doesn't really pan out. So we're not, hypertrophy is kind of one of those almost mysterious things. It's like, I don't really know why we get this to happen. But there is certainly a very strong correlation between neuromuscular fatigue and hypertrophy. We got to push our muscles to the point where we're really kind of making them fairly tired and working hard. So the question for you to ask then, Zarate Karate, is how do you feel at the end of that 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4? Okay, at the end of that, are you kind of grinding out those reps and feeling like, boy, that's about all that muscle had in it? Then I would say it's probably on the right track. But if you're on that last set of 4 and you're just like 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't think it's going to be the best stimulus for you there. It's probably needing to be a little bit harder. So adjust the resistance accordingly in order to make that happen. So when we're going for hypertrophy, you want to be focusing on engaging the muscle powerfully and bringing it to a high state of fatigue. So the question then is, will that do it for you?